Today we have the 2018 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which are full grey and black contrast leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we have navigation, mobile apps, Bluetooth and emergency assistance. On the second page, we can access CarPlay, valet mode, our vehicle settings and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side.